If you want to make any changes to your renders, use the Edit tool. First, upload your image. Edit by Prompt is our most powerful and versatile editing tool, which can make any change you want. Add and remove objects, change lighting, materials, and landscapes, and more. You have to describe your changes only with words, though, as there are no selection tools. If you need more targeted edits, all other editing tools let you select a specific area of your render. That's why we recommend starting with Edit by Prompt for broad changes, and then moving to other tools to fine-tune the details. In Edit by Prompt, your prompts should start with a verb. Add, remove, replace, show, make, and so on. Describe the part of the scene you're referring to, and the expected change. You can write your prompts in any language you want, not just English. The key to good results is being as specific as possible. Let's start by replacing the bar stools with different ones. To do this, upload the bar stools you want to use as a reference image, and clearly mention in the prompt that they should replace the existing ones. Reference images are optional, though. You can also describe the change using just a prompt. For example, let's change the flooring to concrete. For more precise material changes, use the Change Textures tool, which lets you select a specific surface to edit. Let's select the desk using the Paintbrush tool and choose a new material. For even more control, you can upload your own material image. If you're not happy with the edit or want to test a different variation, switch back to the previous item from the history and set it as the render source. Let's try using a different finish for this desk. So I'll select it again using the brush tool and pick another finish from the library. To selectively remove objects from the scene, use the Remove Object tool. Let's remove this pendant light. As before, select the area first, then click Remove. To add new items, switch to the Add Object tool. Describe the item to insert with a prompt, and mark the area where it should be added. Instead of writing something generic like add a blurred person, include more detail. You can specify age, ethnicity, clothing, and other characteristics. More detailed prompts produce better results. And if you want to insert a specific item, such as a home decor piece, you can also upload it as a reference image. You can also show the scene from a different angle by describing a new camera position. Here's an example prompt you can use. And finally, there's the Enhance Area tool. It lets you improve the resolution and clarity of specific parts of your render and is most commonly used for people, vegetation, and textures. Here's how it works. Select an area of your render, describe it to give the engine more context about what it should enhance, and set the creativity level. In most cases, it's best to stay around like 40%, but if the area you're enhancing is very distorted, it's worth increasing the creativity value. On the left, you can see your full history. This history is saved permanently, including prompts and settings. You can mark your favorites with the heart icon, or delete iterations you don't need using the trash icon. You can later quickly find your favorites using the heart icon at the top of the history pane. If you need to add a final polish to your rendering, go to the Enhance tab. I'm happy with the result, so I will download it in 4K right away. If you want to continue working on your rendering later on, you will find it in your Projects tab. All generations and settings are saved automatically. That's it for this quick overview. For more help and best practices, check out the Tutorials tab. And as always, you can reach us anytime through live chat. Thanks for watching and happy rendering!